Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another Power Rangers review. Yeah, I know, it's been a while. The last Power Rangers review was on my Dino Fury Zords, which individual reviews are postponed, actually. I'm missing quite a few parts. You can clearly see. Or the T-Rex Champion Zord. But bummer news out of the side, I just found the T-Rex. So we're here off camera. So, yay. Anyway, today's review is quite a special one because this one I've had for a long time now. I've never done a review on it. Today's review contains the Lightning Collection Yellow Ranger Power Morpher. I just want to do that for fun. This was never released by Bandai, so if you think it's a Bandai item, you're wrong. Bandai never did the red button. The coins are metal, but the morpher itself isn't metal. And just to show you, it is not a button. So that means you can safely morph. Sorry if I scared some of you in the audience. Oh, by the way, thank you for 8 subscribers. I can't believe we reached that. I plan to grow this channel out for a long time. Probably into my 70s? Holy cow, if I do that, then holy cow, I will have been the longest running toy review channel in the world. Anyway, so first off, the coins, they were called medals in Japan. Sorry. So as you can see, we have the correct power coin in here. But for the rest, we have the T-Rex, Mastodon, Triceratops, and my personal favorite, the pterodactyl. So yeah, that's all the power coins. Now, it's morphin' time!
We're more phenomenal!
There you have it, the morph sequence. So now we'll go over the sound effects for each coin.
Saber-tooth tiger!
That's what I wanted it to say when I morph, so sorry.
It's morphin' time! Yellow here, let's do this! Power Rangers, go! We've got this! Saber-tooth tiger!
And that is all the sound effects for the saber-tooth tiger power coin. So now we will go to one of the boys. We'll save pink for last. And let's do Triceratops. It's morphin' time!
Triceratops!
I need to
over
swap
to
hands.
Triceratops. Billy,
Alright.
it's morphin' time. Blue Ranger, time for action. Triceratops, take it away. Billy, time to morph.
Oh, and we went right back. Alright. That was Triceratops. Now on to Mastodon. So this is what it looks like when you just twist the power coin in and you don't do anything.
Mastodon, it's your turn. Black Ranger, you got this. Kicking it over to Mastodon. Adam, it's morphin' time. Black Ranger, time for action. Mastodon, take it away. Adam, time to morph.
So you probably can guess something. I'll mention it when we reach the final color. Also, for those that are wondering if I'm pulling a Jummy Hong right now and reviewing in my underwear, no, I'm reviewing this in comfy pants. Oh, you don't believe me? How's this right? Proof. Yeah, I ain't pulling a jobby. Although I wish I was.
Tyrannosaurus, it's your turn. Red Ranger, you got this. Kicking it over to Tyrannosaurus. Rocky, it's morphin' time. Red Ranger, time for action. Tyrannosaurus, take it away.
And that is it for the T-Rex coin. My favorite power coin. So now you may have noticed that with each power coin you put into the Lightning Collection morpher, you get the Ranger's respective color. So yes. So yes. This is for high-end collectible, or this is an adult collectible. You have to be 18 years or older, I believe, to own one of these. At least that's what it says on the packaging, so don't take my word for it. But now, it's morphin' time!
Kimberly, time to morph. Pterodactyl, it's your turn. Pink Ranger, you got this. Kicking it over to Pterodactyl. Kimberly,
And for those that are wondering, since this was the final power coin, what sounds does it make with no power coins in it? I shall show you. Yeah, that's it. So let us just put the correct power coin back in here. And before I forget, like Bruno did, have your fingers on the plates and hold down the button. And you get Alpha's voice. Oh, there is no on and off switch here. The only way to stop the electronics is by removing the batteries. Which, honestly, I am going to get a new one because it's been with me for a long time. And you can probably tell because you can see some paint damage on this. But honestly, I just consider that battle damage. But knowing that these plates are see-through? Kidding. Yeah, see-through. I hope. Yeah, you really don't know if they're see-through or not. So, yeah. That's it for the Power Morpher. Or on what you can do. So now let's go into what you get with this. So first off, you get a buckle. Pretty standard for a morpher. Got the clips on the back. You can attach it to your shirt or the pants. So let's take our Lightning Collection morpher. And there we go. Now you can morph like the original from the movie. The original movie. Hold on one sec. So yeah. Does his job very well. And like I showed you, you get 4 power coins, 5 if you count the safety ticker, which I do. And you get a base, aka a stand. This piece comes detached out of the box, so you do have to do some assembling. It's pretty standard. So now, let us put the morpher on here. And as you can see, it is very cool. So now I will put these power coins on here. Give me a minute. I have to balance them. There is a little spot for the bottom tab to go. If you don't know, Hasbro based this one off of the original 1990s morpher. And here it is with everything on it. There you are. So now I must gently put this back. You know, it'll be easier without the morpher on. Yeah. Review on Transformers Legacy stuff coming next year. Yes, next year is when I'll finally be reviewing Transformers Legacy. What the? I'm gonna ask why that's here in my studio. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Leave a comment down below if you want to see a review on this. I guess. You don't have to if you don't want to. I understand if you don't want to see a review on more dinosaurs, because I know the Power Rangers fandom is getting tired of dinosaurs. Because let me just recreate this. Dinosaurs is Koryuger all over again. Sorry, Bruno, I just had to. Please don't sue. So, yeah. So, yeah, that's pretty much what I had to review today. The review I wanted to post today, the Zenkaio figure, is indefinite postpone. Because right now, the sounds are being glitchy, and until I get them to work right, no Zenkaio review. The music, that still works fine. Huh. Okay, never mind. The music's not working either. I definitely think it's time for a battery change. He has been with me for like, what, this whole time? I don't know when I got him. I actually lost track. So now just let me reattach the T-Rex head and his drill. If I find his tail, which I am expecting to find next, I will post a update video, basically a YouTube short, now that I found it. But in the meantime, you can definitely tell this looks pretty dang good. I will show the head. There you go. Do expect reviews for the original Japanese toys. Second review for today will be up relatively quickly. It's going to be on my He-Man action figure. Yes, I have a He-Man figure. Also, guys, leave a comment down below what you want for Christmas, or what you're hoping to get for Christmas. Me? I'm hoping to get some Thundercats. Which, by the way, I have 5 comics now. So, let me know if you want reviews on my 5 comics. Because if you do, I'd be happy to do it. I'm good. I ain't kidding, actually. I'd be happy to do some comic reviews. I mean, they'd be short, but, you know. Yeah. Bye-bye.